Nature or machine? What informs our practices? And the power of metaphors. Today I stopped as I came across a phrase by Rumi, that suddenly made me realize how metaphors shape the way we think, shape the way I think. And the phrase says, we believe that God sees us from the above, but actually he sees us from inside. So when I read God sees us, I imagine eyes. And when I imagine eyes, I imagine a living being, a human being that sees through the eyes. And when I imagine a living human being, I give it preferences, judgments, intentions, just as if God were an enlarged copy of ourselves. But God does not see. God has no eyes. God is also eyes. God is not a living being. God is a living process. Like the water that inhabits a whirlpool, present yet not the thing, the whirlpool is not an object. It is an event. God is like something. God is not something. And it is astonishing how words condition us. And the same happens with the body. The metaphors we use are not innocent. With each metaphor, we reduce the limitless to the familiar. They are maps that become territory, explanations that become perceptions, linguistic habits that become habits of practice. The metaphors we use do structure the way we think. Stopping and reflecting is perhaps the first somatic gesture, the moment we realize that what informs us does not fit inside the images we inherited. And it is in that instant that practice can finally change. Thank you.